This is how millionaires become broke. Okon, Idara, Edidiong, Wale, Ali, come closer. Let me show you top 5 mistakes that make millionaires go broke in no time. Avoid them in 2026 because who knows, you could be the next millionaire. What if I told you becoming a millionaire is easy compared to staying one? Stick around. The same habits that build wealth can secretly destroy it. Hey everyone, my name is Director Simon. I'm an investor and entrepreneur, a media executive, a peer-to-peer wealth creation advocate. In this video, we're going to be breaking down the top 5 mistakes that make millionaires go broke, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Whether you are building wealth now, these are mistakes you need to spot and fix fast. By the end, you will learn clear actions and protect your growing wealth. Let's jump right in. Mistake number 1, the most common and most deadly mistake: lifestyle inflation and hidden spending. This is the problem. Wealth isn't just about income, it's about surplus. Treat investment like a recurring bill. Pay your future self first. Set a lifestyle budget and review quarterly. If your spending rises, require a 30-day wait before any big purchase. Number 2 is over-concentration in one asset or business. Problem: people pour their net worth into one startup, one stock, or one property. Diversification is not about maximizing returns. It's about redefining the chance of ruin. Use a 3-bucket approach, right? Liquid cash, diversified investments, index funds, bonds, and high-risk concentrated plays. This is mistake number 3. Ignoring risk management and insurance. This is the problem. Wealth creators often skimp on insurance and legal protections because they think it won't happen to them. These are actionable ways to fix this issue. Number 1, annual insurance audit with a specialist who serve high net worth clients. Now, this is mistake number 4. This mistake number 4 is surprisingly common with successful people. Poor team and advisor choices. Bad advice compounds. A misplaced investment, tax misstep, or weak contract can cascade into large losses. The last mistake is less obvious but just as destructive. Mistake number 5, ignoring succession and behavioral risks. Many millionaires assume wealth will transfer smoothly to their next of kin, or that their partners will make smart choices. It's not always like that. They underestimate behavioral risks, spending, divorce, or mismanagement by partners. Without clear plans and education, wealth evaporates into a generation or two. Teach financial literacy to your next of kin. Before we wrap this up, let's summarize and give a simple checklist you can use immediately. Number 1, freeze lifestyle inflation. Automate investment and run a 5-year affordability test. Very important. Diversify. Rebalance annually. Insure and protect. Vet your team. Secure succession. Estate planning, education for your next of kin, and government rules or governance rules. If you found this video helpful, why not share with someone? Subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and be a part of what we are building, this community we are building as well. Building wealth is possible. If you're willing, I am in, and the rest will be history.